Select a drawing model. Access the editor to manage new drawing scales. Add the new drawing scale. Define the values. Confirm and the new scale is added to the list. Use the same method and add other custom scales. Apply the new scale to the drawing model. You now have the new drawing scales available for other construction drawing layouts as well. Set the new scale as the program's default. Create new projects or open old ones. Easily access your new drawing scales.